explore the IB salary section in Medatiq Markets. Once you log in, you will see a navigation bar on the left side. Under the IB dashboard, there is an option called IB salary. Click on it to open the IB salary section. This section helps you track your total IB earnings and monitor your progress toward the next salary tier. At the top, you can see your total IB salary, which shows how much you have earned so far. Below that, there is the salary target progress section, where different salary levels are displayed based on your trading performance and referral growth. As you achieve higher targets, you can unlock higher salary tiers starting from $100 and going up to $1,500. If you see the message, "Cycle not started," it simply means your current performance cycle has not been activated yet. Once you start trading activity and grow your referral network, your cycle will begin and progress will start tracking automatically. Now let's move to the salary breakdown section. This section shows how your monthly IB salary is calculated based on your active deposit and trading volume. For example, with a $5,000 active deposit and 100 standard lots, you can earn around $100 per month. With $10,000 and 150 standard lots, your salary increases to $200 per month. As your deposits and trading volume grow, you can unlock even higher tiers, reaching up to $1,500 per month. This section gives you a clear roadmap of what you need to achieve and what rewards you can earn at each level. Now let's understand the IB salary eligibility rules. To qualify, you must have a minimum active deposit of $5,000, which can be from a single client account or multiple combined accounts under your referral. If even one client account has a $5,000 deposit, you still become eligible for salary. Multiple client accounts can also be combined to meet this requirement. Next, your eligibility is confirmed through client trading activity. Only those clients who actively trade will be counted for salary approval. Once you meet all conditions, your salary starts from the exact date you qualify. If you reach the next target within 10 days, your salary tier can be upgraded. Otherwise, your current tier remains active until the next cycle review. Your salary is processed monthly after proper verification of deposits and trading activity. Finally, the next cycle starts in the following month based on performance and activity conditions. Now let's quickly understand how the process works step by step. First, you need to meet the minimum $5,000 active deposit requirement, either through a single account or multiple referral accounts. Second, at least one client must complete trading activity, which is verified by the company. Third, your salary starts from the exact date you meet these requirements. Finally, salary is released on a monthly basis after full verification of deposits and trading performance. Now let's look at the transaction section. This section shows your financial ledger history. If you see the message, "No matching records found for this category," it simply means there are currently no transactions recorded under this section. And that's all about the IB salary section. Thanks for watching.